So with Figma, you can create a document, you can create a frame, and frame size should be roughly 1296 by 864. Now I've already created this document. It has some like other random junk in it right now. What you need to do is export your DXF or DWG and convert it. My first website that I used didn't work, but I'm going to check in on that. Convert.io seemed to work just now. And if I pop this back up here, what you should be able to do is once you have it imported or you drag it in, you can ungroup it. Now, let's see right here. You should start to see your actual like line work, your actual drawing in there. And you want to go through and ungroup it again. You're going to get a bunch of vectors, but that is okay because the way Figma works, and it worked beautifully the other day, I don't know why it's being a little bit temperamental today, is we can go through and we can select everything that we want to be in a certain layer. And when I hold Control G, or if I go up here and I probably just edit, it's probably edit G or something like that, or Object G, Control G, I can group them. It'll group them together, and then I can rename that group as Engrave, and that's my Engrave layer. Now what I can actually do is select all of these remaining vectors, Control G them, and I have my cut layer. So obviously Figma need to work on a little bit more, but to be quite honest with you, when it works, and it works quite well. I can go into Engrave right here, and I believe if I click this, what is it? The first one is RGB, so if I do two Fs here and I hit enter, I got blue. If I go through here and I do 0.1, I have a blue line there, thin blue line. And then if I click on cuts, RGB, so first two zeros, turn them to FF, and then 0.1, I have my laser cut drawing. So I can export this as an SVG now, or you can actually just like straight up share it with me, and it's done. What's also beautiful is like once you share it with me, if you make it so I can edit, then I can actually work on this with you in real time. So you would be able to see my cursor. We can comment on things. It's pretty sweet. So again, I got to work on this a little bit more. Thank you for being patient with me, but Figma, I'm highly considering using it next year as long as we get a good track record with it. If you can help me by working with it now, that'd be great. If you want to stick with Illustrator because it's easy, you already know it, fine, but you could see how easy Figma was when it worked. It looks like Convertio.co worked well for converting.